Good morning, students. Welcome back in history period, lesson number 8, civil disobedience movement. Okay. Yesterday we had written some question answers, and now we will proceed with the next question. But before that, let's revise the lesson once again. Round table conference. Okay. Let's revise some points. Round table conference. The British Prime Minister Ramsay MacDonald wanted to discuss constitutional issues related to India. Okay, for this purpose, he organized a conference at London known as Roundtable Conference. 3 roundtable conferences were held between 1930 and 1932. Okay, then first roundtable conference. Ramsay MacDonald was the chairman of the first roundtable conference. Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar, Barrister Jinnah, Sir Tej Bahadur Sabro attended the conference. There were discussions on responsible government at the center, establishment of federal state in India, etc. Representatives of different political parties and rulers of princely states participated in the conference. The Indian National Congress, which was a body that represented the country, did not participate. So the deliberations in the conference were meaningless. Once again, I repeat the last para of this first roundtable conference, which is very important. The Indian National Congress, which was a body that represented the country. Indian National Congress जो देश का प्रतिनिधित्व कर रही थी, रिप्रेजेंटेशन यानी क्या, प्रतिनिधित्व करना, डिड नॉट पार्टिसिपेट, उसने इस कॉन्फ्रेंस में हिस्सा नहीं लिया, डिड नॉट पार्टिसिपेट. सो द डेलिब्रेशंस इन द कॉन्फ्रेंस, डेलिब्रेशन मींस डिस्कशन और डिबेट ऑन एनी पर्टिकुलर इशू, वो क्या हो नहीं पाया इन द कॉन्फ्रेंस वेयर मिलेगा. यानी वहां पर अगर कुछ हुआ भी, लेकिन जो मेन पार्टी जिसने प्रेजेंट रहना चाहिए वही पार्टी एब्सेंट थी, इसलिए जो कॉन्फ्रेंस हुई वो क्या हुई, कॉन्फ्रेंस में जो इश्यू डिस्कस किए गए वो कैसे थे, मीनिंगलेस थे. ओके, नाउ गांधी Irwin Pact. Gandhi Irwin Pact. In the view of the appeal of the Prime Minister, the Viceroy released Gandhiji and other political leaders from prison. In the conducive atmosphere, conducive means favorable, a pact was signed between Gandhiji and Viceroy Irwin. According to the pact, the British government gave an assurance of providing responsible government in the proposed constitution of India. So, Congress agreed to suspend the civil disobedience movement and participated in the second roundtable conference. Now, second roundtable conference. The second roundtable conference was held in 1931. Gandhiji participated as the representatives of the Indian National Congress and Dr. Ambedkar as representatives of Dalits. The representatives of the other political parties, various castes and communities, and the princely states also participated. And issues of minority representation and federal constitution were discussed. However, no consensus could be reached. Gandhiji was not successful in bringing unanimity, so he returned to India disappointed. Right? Then communal awards, Pune Pact, third roundtable conference, and second phase of the civil disobedience movement. Let us see the last point, second phase of civil disobedience movement. Gandhiji resumed the civil disobedience movement after his return from the second roundtable conference. He was arrested immediately. This created discontent among the people. The government restored it to inhuman oppressive measures. The Indian National Congress and its associated institutions were declared illegal. Civic rights were withdrawn and many restrictions were imposed. Imposed yani ladna, meaning restrictions yani bandhan were imposed on national newspapers and literature. Finally, the movement was withdrawn by Gandhiji in April 1934. Okay. Now, we have already solved the question of fill in the blanks. Then question of timeline also. We have written, name the following also, and completed the graphical presentation questions. Now we will proceed to our next question, that is answer the following question in one sentence. Start with me. Take out your copies and note down question answers. objectives of Gandhiji in starting the civil disobedience movement. Note down question. Question mark, give question mark, huh? After the completion of question, don't forget to put question mark. What was the objective of Gandhiji? Objective means what? Objective means motto or aim or purpose. उनका हेतु क्या था? ठीक है? The objective of Gandhiji was to break the objective of Gandhiji was to break the oppressive, was to break the oppressive यानी जुल्मी and unjust laws, unjust यानी अन्याय करने वाला, unjust laws of the British government, through peace and सत्याग्रह, through peace यानी शांति और सत्याग्रह शांततापूर्ण मार्ग से अन्याय का विरोध करना, through peace and सत्याग्रह. Number 2. Question number. Next question. From which place and when did the Dandi March start? From which place and when did from which place and when did the Dandi March start? Answer. दांडी यात्रा कहाँ से शुरू हुई? The Dandi March started from Sabarmati Ashram. From Sabarmati Ashram in Ahmedabad. On March on 12th March, 1940. 12th March 1940. Next question. Question number 3. Name the leaders present at the first roundtable conference. Name the leaders present at the first roundtable conference. At the first roundtable conference. Answer. Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar. Sir Tej Bahadur Sapru. Barrister Jinnah. Were the leaders present at the first roundtable conference. Here our answer is finished. The next question. Name the leaders present at the first roundtable conference. ठीक है? Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar, Sir Tej Bahadur Sapru, Barrister Jinnah were the leaders present at the first roundtable conference. Okay, note down this in your copy. Our next question. Question number 4. Which issues were discussed in the first roundtable conference? Which issues were discussed which issues were discussed in the first roundtable conference? Answer. The issues like responsible government, issues like responsible government, at center and establish an establishment of federal state in India were discussed. And the last question, question number 5, what decisions was made in the Pune Pact? What decision what decision was made in the Pune Pact? In the Pune Pact. Answer. According to the Pune Pact, according to the Pune Pact, separate electorates, for the Dalits was cancelled and a provision for reserved seats was made. See here, what decision was made in the Pune Pact? According to the Pune Pact, separate electorates for the Dalits was cancelled and a provision for reserved seats was made. Okay. Fine. Now here our answer in one sentence question is over. Okay. Note down all the answers in your copy. It may come in your examination and you have to write it. Learn it by heart. Your homework is that find out the answers of question number 2, that is explain the following statement with reasons and answer the following question in 25 to 30 words. Okay. Both the questions are given on page number 39. Once again, read the lesson carefully and mark the answer in your book. Tomorrow we will write the answer of these questions. Okay. Till then, bye-bye. Take care and have a nice day.